Yo, what's going on, man?
How we doing?
Good, good. How's the inspection so far? Oh, I see you got your OSHA ladder up here with the, exactly how it's supposed to be.
With the bungee.
Yeah, it's supposed to be up taller, but oh well. I guess I won't come on the ladder. I don't want to mess it up. Find anything good so far?
The gutters are pretty full.
Yeah.
A little bit of rotted fascia board.
Yeah.
Chimney cap is cracked, but it all looks pretty good. The roof looks in really good condition.
See if I can get up there in one piece. Sweet.
So yeah, over here there's a little bit of rotted fascia board. Looks like they tried to paint over it.
Oh yeah.
It's on there.
Yeah.
There's a little bit up there. Chimney cap.
Did you stick something in there?
Yeah, I just poked it with a screwdriver.
Yeah.
And then you could probably use a cricket on the moss.
Dang, look at that look at that fence over there. I think the fence has a little bit of an issue. Could be wrong.
Neighbors are trying to combine yards.
Oh, is that it?
But yeah, it looks pretty good, the roof. No big damage or anything, so.
That looks like you could use some adjustment there.
Yeah. It sounds like they want to do a source scope as well.
Oh, sweet.
So if we can,
To see where to get it through. Have you gotten it through that?
the one I did in Elk Grove earlier this week was a size bigger than this.
Yeah. Maybe there's a clean out in the front.
Yeah, there's probably clean on the front and also back here.
Sweet.
Figure it out.
Good deal.
Yeah.
Is there any other thing to point out about the roof?
A little bit of moss buildup over there.
Yeah.
Looks like it's still got some life left.
What about this? Looks like it's the wrong flashing here.
Right here?
Yeah, see how there's that gap there?
Yeah.
It's right here. See, it's not really the correct. See, it's not really the correct piece.
Yeah.
See how this one over here, it all connects.
Flush?
Yeah, and that one connects there.
Yeah.
So I can't tell if it's the wrong. Maybe they put in a new furnace.
Yeah, they might have.
So I think the thing to do is just to note it on there.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if they put a different kind of piece on there or something. See, this one over here is connected well. It kind of straps in there.
Yeah.
Same with that one and that one. So
That one looks clean.
I wonder if that's just because they. Yeah, I think someone just needs to come up and adjust it. It'll be good to go. Cool. All right, roof looks pretty. Let's go down and take a look at the bottom.
All right.